Like you could say, "Hi, Randy. It's nice to meet you. My name is Blake." Like that. Now he's smoothing out the rocks for the driveway. Negro. I think it's Spanish.
Yeah. Starting to rain.
Yeah. Are we just gonna keep this rock here, or is it gonna go under the driveway? Are we gonna be more for the rest of the driveway?
One or two more loads.
Okay.
I think two. I can't imagine doing that.
So here's the crushed rock. It's gonna make it easier for the trucks to drive, and it's gonna go under the eventual asphalt driveway.
Actually, we put a stake by that sucker so I can see it.
That's a big one.
Actually, I wanted to get a bigger one than that. That's cool. That was the last one they had there, 100 foot.
While the trackhoe operator is smoothing out the rock, it looks like Randy is going to be marking the sewer head, so if he can find it. He also brought some black plastic and some stakes with him, so we'll see what that's for.